Okay, so this one will be about zooming with jump cuts or keyframes. So in this case, let's choose a part, make it larger, focus on, let's just say, we're going to start from right here. So we just have to first choose a segment, right? So if I want to start from here, I need to hit C to get the blade tool or cut tool and click here, and that way I have a cut now. And let's say within a few more down I have another place, and I'm going to click on it and get another cut. So now I have my segment chosen. Now I'm going to go to the selection tool, come back here, go to the beginning of that segment by hitting upper arrow. So now I'm going to select it again. Now this section becomes visible, and here I'm going to go ahead and turn it larger. Right? Now come back here. Let's start from the beginning. I'm hitting spacebar to play. Now all of a sudden it's large. It's going to go through the segment and go back to normal. So this is one quick way of focusing, especially if you're focusing on a piece of code or something. You need, it to be large. That's one way of doing it. Okay, so we have done a jump cut zooming. Now let's do zooming with a little bit of motion in there, a little bit of smoothness, right? So let's say we go ahead and with shift right arrow, let's pick a spot right here, and we're gonna go ahead and hit C, get the blade, cut it here, and I'm gonna take this much chunk. This is an example. Just get a chunk out, and with selection tool, I'm gonna select it, right? Now these guys are available. At this point, my header is, playhead is exactly at the beginning of the clip, and I am going to, from the effects control, under motion, I'm going to select position and scale, and that will create two little keyframes right here. It's very little visible, but you'll see what happens next. Now I come back, click here with shift right arrow. Let's say I want to start the zooming, actually end the zoom right here, right? So this is what I select, and at this point I'm going to go ahead and make it larger, the scale. But I want to focus on this one, this little black box. So the position also, I'm dragging it to the left to bring this to the center. And now I'm going to go back with upper arrow key, go to the beginning. Let's say upper arrow key again to go to the very beginning, and hit spacebar. Look at that. So it just came back on. It's going to stay there until the clip ends. Now it goes back to its normal way. That's it for keyframe based zooming. Next, we will focus on the magnify tool. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.